Hi and welcome back to the next video tutorial for Pixel. Now in this video what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to tell you how to find the campaign manager. Now a few people have opened support tickets asking where the campaign manager is. Now the campaign manager is located in all graphics. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to create a graphic to add it into campaign manager. So let's start by, let's just add a basic template here. Just add this one in. So to use this in the campaign manager, all we need to do is click publish. So what I'm going to do is call this banner 1, hit save. Now once I save a banner, it automatically goes into unassociated banners. Now unassociated banners means it's not associated with a campaign. Now a campaign is where you add multiple banners, and so you may add 3-4 banners. So if you wanted to say split test a certain place on your website, your blog, etc., create multiple banners for that place, and then you can split test, see which one works best. Now from unassociated banners, you can re-edit a banner, you can download it, delete it, etc. But to actually use the campaign manager, you need to select campaign. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a campaign. You create a campaign here at the top. So I'm going to call this test campaign. So just click create campaign. Now that's campaign created. It tells you it's been successfully created here. Go back to unassociated banners. And all we need to do then is select campaign. Now the last campaign you made will be right at the top. You can also get any ones here, so just click test campaign, hit save. Now if you go into that campaign, this campaign is here. Now it doesn't activate until you have at least one active banner in there. There's none at the moment, so all you need to do is hit on, and you can see now the campaign manager is active. You've got your embed code, you've got embed overlay code, you've got conversion code. Coming in the next few days, you will actually see the heat map here as well. And you can split test banners in this section. Now to do multiple banners in this section, how we do it and how we make it quite easy. So for example, you may want to add different calls to actions in this banner. So all you need to do is hit clone. So if you clone a banner, that banner jumps back into unassociated banners, so you can edit that banner. So I could add a different call to action or a different image here or whatever I wanted to do. And what I can do is I can publish. So instead of calling it banner 1, I'm going to call it banner 2. Hit save. Now I'll go back to unassociated banners, and here's the banner. Now to add banner 2 into test campaign, again all I need to do is hit select campaign, select test campaign, hit save, and you can see I have got 2 banners in test campaign. Now to split test those 2 banners in the campaign manager, now this is a campaign manager, all I need to do is click this little edit button at the top. And you can see I've got banner 1, banner 2, and I've got 50% going to each banner. Now if I wanted to, I could add 40% to banner 1 and 60% to banner 2. And what the software will do, it will split test between those 2 banners, sending 40% of your traffic to banner 1 and 60% to banner 2. Now to get that, all you need to do is click this little embed code here and copy that. Embed it on your site, or if you wanted to use it as a pop-up, you use this embed overlay here. Now all this kind of stuff we're going to be covering in depth on the webinar. You're going to be able to ask us questions, how to get the most from this, etc. Okay, thank you, and I'll see you on the next video.